Alright, so I'm going to do a tutorial on the Z choker. There it is. How the Z choker works is you're going to get to the open position, twirl, separate the handles, and spin the handle that you're controlling between two fingers. Okay? To get to the position, how I recommend is you're going to do a whip roll, but instead of doing the thumb roll, move your thumb out of the way and let the knife open. Okay, so from here, you leave your index back there and replace your middle finger in the front. Twirl back, replace with your ring finger once more, and now you're going to have your pointer and your middle finger like this, but you're going to push your pointer to like the top so you have that end of the handle control. What you're going to do is put the knife horizontal like this, let the handle drop a little bit, and as it's dropping, you're going to use your index and your middle finger to spin the knife. Now when you get here, you're going to turn the knife sideways to let the handle separate and simply spin the knife. You're like this, you're twirling, whip roll, reach up, let it drop and spin. Let it drop and spin. Let it drop and spin. Once you've got here, you've twirled back, you reach up, you let it drop, you spin the knife. How you're going to kind of end up is in the position for another whip roll over. So you're here, and see how my middle ends up on top here and my index under it. It's a little far down on the handle here, but what you can do is then whip roll, and you can loop it, okay? Now another thing I like to do is Z choker into an ice pick grip. How that's going to look is you do the Z choker, and as the handle is spinning, it's going to get to like right here, and you're going to push into it. And this is just something you have to feel out. So you're doing the Z choker, and again, you drop it, it spins, it's going to get right here. You're going to let go. It's going to be a tiny little aerial. This handle is going to be spinning like that. And when it gets right here, you're going to push into it, closing the knife, or opening the knife rather. So yeah, the main parts of this trick are getting to this position, doing this twirl quickly so it looks good, and don't stop to do here. So when you're twirling, keep it moving to get that nice fan. You're actually using that momentum, you're just redirecting it. And that's really it, guys. It's not a super hard trick. It just takes some getting used to. I don't do it a lot, so I can't do like a super in-depth, amazing tutorial. But this is kind of what I've noticed matters the most. So good luck. I hope this helps.